Yeah, today is Sunday, 20th November, up here at the little building. This is the passenger side seat cover. It looks a lot better when it's not being stretched, but you can see the wear here, cracking pretty deep. And I screwed up and took my the truck to an upholstery shop and had them repair. Not replace, just repair the driver's side. So Gerda wanted hers to be pretty too. Seat cover was cheap. Amazon, I think I paid $158 back when I bought it. This is the new one. Once she rides in it, it'll more set on the foam. The foam was in good shape. Again, there's some minor cracking here I'm not going to worry with. I can get a complete set of seat covers, back and bottom, for $598. They're made here in Texas. Direct replacement right down to the Lariat emblem. And here's what started all this. I loaned this truck to my dad for, I don't know, 20 years. He's real good about borrowing. He wasn't real good about giving back. Anyway, I finally got it back when he passed away. I had a upholstery shop, changed out this panel here and this panel here. Now again, I've got cracking on this back panel here. That one there is not going to bother me too much. And for $600 I can deal with it. I get some better leather treatment to put on the seat panels, help rehydrate them. That will help. But as you can see, the truck's in real nice shape. Runs like a new one. And I'm going to give it a bath today. If I take it to the car wash and do it myself, it'll take $20 worth of quarters. That stuff got expensive too. And if I take it to a professional car wash place where they hand wash it, it's anywhere from $100 to $150 damn dollars. It's just a pickup. But if you're fool enough to ask them why, stand by for the excuses. These top edge moldings on the cab, or corner moldings, found those on Amazon too. I ain't got them yet. Right here, $38. Problem is getting down to them. You got to remove some trim on the inside of the cab. They actually go through the metal and got retaining bolts on the inside. So this molding here has to come out, which means that molding there has to come out just to get to the nuts. Give me something to do this winter. And so I got some Sure Enough car soap. You don't want to use Dawn or any kind of liquid detergent for dishwashing or clothes. It's got degreasing agents which will strip the wax right off the truck. So I use this Meguiar's product. We'll try it. I got some No Scrub all-wheel cleaner. Spritz the wheels. This is what I put on the seats. Leather care. I ain't real impressed. So I get some Sure Enough saddle soap and leather balm. I was going to bring it up here with me today, but I forgot. Strange happenings next door. When I pulled up, there was a car down front. I didn't think twice about it. Started doing my thing. Next thing I know, there's a car leaving that was on the other side of the shipping containers that I did not see. And as he was leaving, the car down front left. And I said, okay, got to look out. And something else going on inside the building. Probably employee theft. Who the hell knows? I just don't know, and I don't care. I know the owner group don't care. So, I don't know. Another reason why I do not miss having employees. It's constant problems. Constant problems. So I just do my thing. I don't worry about it. And Georgia says, "No, you shouldn't say all that about the other company." I said, "Well, hell, I can't miss it. It's so damn obvious." And I'm sitting here looking at my bird feeders. The one on the right side, I had 3/4 full 2 days ago. So I'm getting lots of birds down here. They ate all of it. Got filled up before I go. Top off the bird bath. And garden's doing its thing. It's getting some sunshine today. Looking pretty damn good. So, let me put my tools away. Get all my car washing stuff together and wash my truck. That's all for this one. Thank you.